Okay, guys, the second thing that I have to do in this chapter is another approach. So rather than using the user-based method, we can use the item-based method, but the methodology is pretty much similar to the user-based, so you can try doing that. So I might go a bit faster in this case. So first of all, we'll just calculate the average values of all the rating for all the moviegoer in this cell J8 to 14. And then here, rather than putting the name, we'll just put the name of the person. We'll just put the name of the movie instead. Here, I already have the drop-down list. So rather than having the drop-down list, I can just delete it first. Let me just clear. So I want to clear all. Okay. I want to put like a drop-down list here. Let's just do it. So I can try adding it in data validation. And I want to have a list of the name of the movie. And so I just pick the name of the movie, the names of the movie here. So here is the name of the movie. And enter, and I also have another list for the names of the movie, the same thing. So here I want to find, the first thing that I want to have is more. We want to find similarity between movie Amor and the other one is dodgeball. So we want to know, how closely in terms of likeliness between among moviegoers between these two movies. So I just put this equal to that cell and just copy that into that cell. In these two lines, we just want to copy the movie rating into these columns. So we just want to copy Amor from the first person, which is Lana, Amor from the second one, which is George, and so on and so forth. So we just want to copy it, extract each person's rating for the two movie. So if they don't really watch it, we'll just put it a dash. So we'll just do it. So equal to if index, and we want to select the entire array. So the entire array is the entire table here, and I don't forget to fix the table because I always forget. So I will fix the table, and then I want D15. So D15 is just the column number. And again, we want to fix 15, the row 15, and unfix the D. And then match C16, which is Amor, and we want to fix C. Okay. And then we want to find from the list of the movie. So we're going to specify D7 up until I7. And again, we want to fix, actually we can just fix the entire thing. So we can fix, oops, okay, fix D7 to I7 and then exact match. So we close it and close this index here. So, sorry, if the rating is equal to 0, so that means, there is no rating, we'll just put a dash. Okay, but if the rating is not equal to 0, we'll just put the same thing. So we just do D8, up until so we just put the entire thing again. So basically we just copy the same thing over again. So if it's not 0, then we'll just put in the correct value. So this is D15. Oops, just fix 15, okay? And we want to match C16 fix the C with the list here. So we just do that. Okay. Exact match, put 0, and then just close the parenthesis. Okay. So we just copy rating of Amor from Lana here. Next one, rating of Amor for George, and so on and so forth. So now we have 6 people copy here. Now next is we want to find do the same thing for the movie Dodgeball. Okay, so we just copy basically rating of Dodgeball from all the moviegoer. And then in these 2 lines, we just want to pick the ones that are similar. So we just want to pick the person that have watched both Amor and Dodgeball and put the ratings here. If they have, like, if they just watch one of them, then we'll not just put anything. So basically here we just say if, equal, if, and then or, and then D16, D16, yeah, and then fix the row 16, and then equal, and then the minus sign that we put in, or D17, equal the minus sign that we put in. Then we are going to put in another minus sign, meaning that, you know, if one of them is the minus sign, then that means one of them hasn't watched, like that person hasn't watched both movie. So if that's the case, we'll just put a dash in. Otherwise, we just put the rating. And then close the parenthesis. You can also do the same thing as we did in the previous video too. This is just another technique. You know, in Excel you can do so many ways. So we just copy it, copy entire thing, and just drag it down. So in this case, you know, person number 1 have watched the 2 movies, so we just copy the rating. Person number 2 have watched the 2 movies, we just copy the rating. Person number 3, number 4, number 5. Person number 3 and person number 6, we're not gonna care about them. These 2 persons are Manuel and James. So Manuel and James are not considered when we consider Amor and Dodgeball as the reference movies. Okay. So we already copied that formula in there. And now in cell here in N21, we just want to find a correlation. So we say correl, and this correl is going to be between this array and that array. So the correlation between these 2 movies are just, you know, 0.48566. So this is just a correlation between the 2 movies. And again, we want to find the correlations among all the movies. So in order to do that, we'll just do the what if analysis. So we just pick the entire table, go to data, what if analysis, and data table. For the row input, we just select C16. For the column input, we just select C17, and you click OK. Now, all the correlation between among all the movies generated. So I just make it nicer because I don't like messy. Okay, so now I have all the correlations among them. Next, in C26 and 27, here we want to specify the person that we want to calculate the rating for, and we want to specify the movie that we want to find the estimate of the movie. So now in here we specifically select the result from the list. You know how to create the list, so I'm not going to do it. In here we want to create the movie. So this is going to be Amor. So you just put the list here, Amor. You select Amor here. So we want to find the rating of Amor for Teresa, basically. So now you select it, and then in C28 shown contain the final calculation. And now, okay, let's just do it. Okay, in E29 to E34, we'll just copy the rating for each movie here. So in order to do that, we just do index between the all the raw data, D8 to I14. I just want to fix it. Okay, and then you specify the name of the row, so match C26, which is the name of the person. I can fix it. And then you want to select the list of the person. So Teresa is from the list here. I also want to fix all the list. And you put 0, exact match. And the next one, we want to match the name of the movie. So this is going to be D29. D29 is what? D29 is the name of the movie here. Here you just want to fix the D column, and you select it from the list of the movie. So this is D7 to I7. Fix it, and now put 0. Okay, just copy the rating for all the movies for the resale. Okay, so we have that information here. And next, we just want to copy the correlation between these movies to Amor. So just do it. So here we want to say if E29, this rating is equal to 0. And then we want to say it's O22 to OT27. Fix the table. And then 0. Oops, sorry. If E29 equal to 0, then if E29 equal to 0, then I put 0, sorry. Then I put 0 here. Else, it's going to be the index of O22 to T27 and put the row number, which is going to be C27. So C27 is Amor, fix it. And then CO21 to T21. So O21 to, so just a list of the name. This can be T too, but just anyway. And then 0. Okay. And the column is just match D29. So D29 is just 6 cents. Oops. Match. And then D29 here, fix D. And match it with O21 to T21. And same list. Fix it. Put 0. let's see. Okay. Okay. So now I have copied the correlation between these movies and Amor. So let's say Sixth Sense and Amor, the correlation should be 0.945. So I think there's something wrong here. Let me just double check my formula. So if E29 is 0, okay. So if the rating of the Sixth Sense is 0, then we'll just put 0. Okay. Else we just put the value here. So I think I should do it correctly. Let me just double check the table that I have. Oh, okay. I think I did it correctly. Sorry. All right. So once I copy the similarity between the movies in the list and Amor, only the ones that have the similarity that the person has, that the Risa has watched together. Okay, so this is that similarity, and then we're gonna find the movie rating mean. In order to do that, in cell G29 to G34, we're gonna do equal to if the rating is 0, then we're not gonna care. We just put 0. Okay, else is gonna be E29 minus the mean D26. So D26 is just this mean right here. Now I'm just gonna copy the mean of the Risa here. So I forgot. So this is gonna be minus D26, and then I fix D26. And before I copy it, this is gonna be equal to just the mean of the Risa. Okay. So now I'm just gonna copy it. Okay. So this is the movie rating mean. I just do it like that. And then again, I find the absolute similarity. In order to find the absolute similarity, then I'm just gonna put equal ABS of F29. So F29 is just that. It's here. And then just copy it. This is really easy, isn't it? Oops. Okay. Once I have all the absolute similarity, I have all the information that I need. So I just want to find the final estimation. Before that, let's do the total adjustment. In D36, I just do some product between G29 and this column and F here. F. Okay, and everything else divided by the sum of the absolute similarity. Okay. Once I have the adjustment, the rating for Amor is just in cell D37. I'm just gonna do it. This is gonna be D26, so D26 plus the final adjustment, which is gonna be D36 here. So this is the final adjustment or the final rating estimate for the Risa for the movie Amor, as you can see here. So you can see that, you know, the estimated rating of Amor for the Risa are different for the two types of technique, right? In the past, user base was often used because it's easy to do it. The user base is very popular, like among, like, for example, Facebook. When Facebook was trying to like provide you with music recommendations based on the preference of your, you know, inputs. But for the item-based estimation, this is going to be more popular for, you know, those retailers, shops like Amazon or eBay. I don't know if eBay is still on there, but like Shopee, Lazada, those are the ones that have used, you know, the item-based rating in order to try to estimate the rating of your product based on your similarity between the products itself. Both methods can be used, but it's up to you which one is, you know, more relevant in terms of your context. And as you can see that from using the two techniques, the calculation itself, the formulas are a little bit different because there are so many ways that you can do or manage in Excel sheet. As long as you can get the same result, things are okay. Another thing that I also want to mention is that for the item-based rating, actually the calculation that I used was based on the textbook page 398. So the calculation, the formula is a little bit different than the user-based estimation, but you know, I think the idea is pretty much the same. For me, I feel like I like the approach that we use in the item-based more because I feel like it's shorter. You don't have to do a lot of things, but it's up to you which one you like. Both are still correct. Okay, you just do it based, you know, with the reference point. Like the first one, you just did it with the reference point of the person, but in the second approach, you just do it with the reference point to the movie. So both are the same, both are equal, depending on your context of using. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna do another video for another chapter soon. Just stay tuned.